In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll go from a simple Google search into Binance, over to the trade area, then into demo trading, and finally we'll open the OCO ticket on the BTC USDT spot market so you can see where to practice safely. Start by opening your browser and performing a search for Binance. On the results page, look for the official domain at Binance.com. It's always smart to double-check the URL bar for the secure padlock and the exact spelling before you proceed, as look-alike links are common in crypto. Click the official result to continue. Once the Binance homepage loads, head to the main navigation and select Trade. This is the doorway to market interfaces where you can view charts, the order book, and place orders. If the layout looks slightly different, that's normal. Exchanges refresh their designs from time to time, but the trade option remains the place you want to go. Inside the trading area, choose Demo Trading. Demo mode is a sandbox that uses virtual balances, letting you explore features and practice strategies without risking real funds. Prices and available pairs will mirror live markets, though they may be delayed or simplified, which is perfect for learning mechanics before you ever consider trading live. In Demo, open the BTC USDT spot pair and locate the order type labeled OCO. OCO stands for One Cancels the Other. It links two orders so that when one is triggered, the other is automatically canceled. Traders often use it to set a take-profit target and a protective stop at the same time. On the ticket, you'll typically see fields for the limit sell price, then a stop price and a lower limit price for the stop limit portion. The stop is the trigger. Once reached, the stop limit order activates at your specified limit. For a simple example, imagine you hold BTC and want to secure gains if price rises, while also limiting loss if it falls. You could set a higher limit price as your target and a stop with a slightly lower limit as your safety net. Only one will execute and the other disappears automatically. That's it. You searched for Binance, entered via trade, switched to demo trading, and opened the OCO ticket on BTC USDT spot. Take your time exploring in demo, confirm details on the screen before interacting with any order forms, and consult Binance's Help Center for interface updates. This walkthrough is for education, not financial advice. Practice first, move slowly, and stay safe online.